Excuse me, sir. Good morning. What can I do for you?
Good morning. I'm just looking for shampoo. Do you have L'Oreal shampoo?
Just a minute. Let me see.
Wait. I have to run my school.
Oh, don't worry, sir. I am getting fast. Sir, here is your shampoo.
Okay, how much?
Sir, it cost only taka 980.
Okay. Any consideration?
Oh, sir, it is fixed price, but only for your honor, I will give you a 1 mini bag shampoo plus.
Okay, it will be so. Here is your money.
Oh, sir, do you have any exchange?
I have no change.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Come again.
It's fine. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye. Excuse me, sir. Good morning. What can I do for you?
Good morning. I'm just looking for a perfume. Do you have one-man show perfume?
Just a minute. Let me see it.
Do it quickly. I have to run my school.
Okay, sir. Don't worry. I am getting fast. Here's your perfume.
How much?
It is cost only taka 3000.
Any consideration?
Oh, sir. It is fixed price, but only for your honor, I will give you a 1 mini bag shampoo plus.
It will be so. Here is the money.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Come again.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, sir. Bye.